Planning your first trip to Arizona? From jaw-dropping landscapes to hidden gems, Arizona is the perfect mix of adventure, history, and natural beauty. But before you pack your bags, there are a few things you need to know to make the most of your visit. Let's dive in. 1. Best time to visit Arizona. First things first, timing is everything. Arizona's climate is as diverse as its landscape. If you're planning to visit the Grand Canyon or hike in Sedona, aim for spring, March-May, or fall, September-November. The weather's mild and the crowds are manageable. Thinking about summer? Beware, temperatures in Phoenix and Tucson can soar past 110 Fahrenheit. Perfect for poolside lounging, but brutal for outdoor adventures. And yes, Arizona has winter too. Head to Flagstaff or the White Mountains for skiing and cozy cabin getaways. 2. Packing essentials for Arizona. Arizona's dry desert climate can be tricky, so here's what you'll need. Layered clothing. Nights can be chilly, even in summer. Sunscreen and a hat. That Arizona sun is no joke. Reusable water bottle. Hydration is key, especially if you're hiking. Comfy hiking shoes. Many top spots require walking or light trekking. Camera. You'll want to capture every moment. Oh, and Arizona is big. Pack a power bank if you're using your phone for navigation. 3. Top destinations you can't miss. Arizona is packed with iconic spots. If it's your first time, don't skip these. 1. Grand Canyon. No surprise here. For fewer crowds, visit the North Rim. 2. Sedona. Stunning red rocks, hiking, and a unique spiritual vibe. 3. Monument Valley. Epic road trip views and towering sandstone buttes. 4. Antelope Canyon. A dreamlike slot canyon near Page. A guided tour is required. Got extra time? Visit lesser-known places such as the old mining town Jerome. 4. Local tips for Arizona travel. Want to travel like a pro? Keep these tips in mind. 1. Hydrate. Even in cooler weather, Arizona's dry air will dehydrate you fast. 2. Start early. Mornings are cooler, quieter, and perfect for exploring. 3. Respect the desert, stick to marked trails, and watch for wildlife like rattlesnakes. And don't skip the food. Try Sonoran hot dogs, prickly pear lemonade, and Navajo fry bread. 5. Transportation and driving tips. Getting around is easy if you plan ahead. Road trips are best. Scenic highways like Route 66 offer unforgettable views. Rent a car. Public transport isn't great for exploring natural wonders. Watch your gas. Some remote areas have long stretches without gas stations. Also, keep an eye on road signs. Some areas are on Native American reservations, and rules might be different. Arizona isn't just a destination, it's an adventure. From stunning landscapes to rich culture, there's something for everyone. With these tips, you're ready to make your trip unforgettable. Have questions or travel tips of your own? Drop them in the comments!